Welcome to another tutorial in the Adobe Illustrator course for beginners, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at aligning objects. So first we're going to create some objects. I'll just create some shapes using the rectangle tool, and I'll make them of different sizes like so. Let's add a fill color to it. Doesn't have to be similar. Just select this. Yeah, that's okay. So I want to align these objects. I'll place them randomly, and then we can look at the alignment options that we have. Resize this. There we go. So I'm going to select all of them. First, you have to make sure you select all of them, so they're all selected, and then you come to the properties panel. Over here, we have the align command. Then we have this 𝗕𝗲 square. If you click on the drop down arrow over here, you can see I have three options. That is align to selection, align to key object, and align to artboard. Now let's first look at align to selection. So I'll click on that to make sure that's selected. And then I want to use these three. So we have 6 commands in total. These 3 are for horizontal alignment, and these 3 are for vertical alignment. So I'll come and select the first one, which is to vertically align them at the top. Click on that, and you can see they've aligned themselves at the top. Then in the center, you can see the changes, and to the bottom. So that's how the alignment command works. Now you can see that I have these big spaces in here, and they're not equal. So if you want to change that, all you have to do is come to more options. Then we have distribute object, then distribute spacing. So I want equal spacing over here. So I'll click on this, and then you can see now we have equal spacing. So I just selected the second option. This allows me to horizontally distribute the space. So you can see I have equal space between each of these objects. Now I want us to look at the second one, that is align selection. So we're going to, let's first just move them around. So select all of them, align, then align to key object. Now you can see that it has highlighted one of my objects. So that means all the rest of all these objects will be aligned in accordance to this one. And you can actually select which object you want to align them to. So I can select this one with that command still on. You can select this one. So I've selected this one to be my key object. So what I'll do is I'll come, still using the vertical command, can align them to the top. So it will align them to the top of that object, to the center of that object, and to the bottom of that object. That's how that command works. Let's look at the third one again. You can just go into displace everything, so we can actually see from that work. Then select everything, align, and then we have align to artboard. So I've selected this. If I click on vertical align to the top, what it will do is it will align all my objects to the top of that artboard. The same with this one, to the center of the artboard and to the bottom of the artboard. So that's the difference between these 3 commands that we have over here: align to selection, key object, and artboard. And these commands still work the same with the horizontal alignment. And again, if you look at the spacing is not equal. If you want to make it equal with the object selected, click on more option, these 3 dots over here, and then distribute spacing, the second command. The first one is for vertical distribution of space, but the second one is horizontal distribution of space. So if I click on that, you can see I have equal distribution of space in between my objects. Let's put that to center. I have equal distribution of my objects and the space in between is equal. So yeah, just go ahead and work with this tool, with this command, the align command. Try it out, try aligning objects in your artboard and see how it goes. You can also try with horizontal alignment. Now that I've focused on the vertical alignment, go ahead and practice with the vertical alignment and see how that turns out.